Welcome all. It's Krishnamurthy from CSE B section. Um, we are going to see about the agile testing practices in this session. So we enter into the session directly. What is agile? Agile is a software development practices. Before agile, we practices the traditional methodology. In traditional, we have to complete the coding phase and then we go for the testing phase. But in agile, testing takes place in all phases, all and every phases. So this is a advantage of agile to compare to the traditional. Then what is agile testing? Agile testing is a testing practice that follows a rules and principles of agile software development. Agile testing follows some rules and principles, and agile testing can begin at the start of the project with the continuous integration between development and testing. Agile testing can start at the start of the project. So I already told every phases testing takes place. That's only here told. Agile testing methodology is not sequential but continuous. So this is the advantage in agile. Next we move to the key concepts of agile testing. These three are the key concepts of agile testing. Communicate with the product owner, close interaction with the developers, and the entire team is involved in quality assurance. These 3 points make us to give a successful product. So these are the key concepts of agile testing. These are the 10 principles of agile testing. 1. Provide continuous feedback. 2. Deliver value to the customer. 3. Enable face-to-face communication. 4. Have courage. 5. Keep it simple. And 6. Practice continuous improvement. 7. Respond to change. 8. Self-organize. 9. Focus on people. And then last one is enjoy. These are the principles of agile testing. Let we see about the detail of these principles. Okay, let me move. Provide continuous feedback. Agile testers do not simply test constantly. They are also responsible for distributing the results of those testers and facilitating the provision of feedback from the customers to developers in order to create a more robust product. We get the continuous feedback from the customer and deliver the successful product. So this is one of the important principle, and we go for the next principle. Deliver value to the customer. While this is a second principle, it is a paramount principle. The end goal of every action taken by the agile tester is to create the best product possible for the customer. This is already I told we have to work for the best product or a successful product, etc. So the next one is enable face-to-face communication. The agile tester's role is to reduce the confusion and errors by communicating directly with the developers, as well as enabling customers to communicate directly with the developers. And the next principle, have courage. Developers can be defensive about their work to meet their goal of providing value to the customer. Agile testers must fight for the changes and fixes that need to be made. Then only we deliver a best product. Keep it simple. Agile testers act on the aphorism that simplicity the ultimate sophistication. For testing, that means performing only those tests that are necessary and all tests that are necessary. For the product, that means delivering the simplest possible product. This is the meaning of keep it simple. We deliver simplest possible product or simplest best product that delivers the most possible value. So this is the keep it simple principle, and we go for the next principle. Next principle is practice continuous improvement. Agile testers are keen learners. Sorry. They are never done learning how to do their job better. We learn about the improvement of our product continuously. So this is the practice continuous improvement. So next principle is respond to change. Agile testers are adaptable and flexible, keeping up feedback from the user stories as well as change in the product and the marketplace. We have to change when we customer gives a feedback. So this is the respond to change. And another is self-organize. Instead of waiting at an assigned seat on the assembly line, agile testers spring into action at every point in the process. They actively seek out problems and bring people together to solve them. Here are all together working in the product. So we can't say the fault in testing team. So next is focus on people. Agile testers are collaborative, preferring human interaction to technology. Yeah, the customers also involved in this agile methodology. Their focus on people enables them to deliver a product that priorities usability and utility. We give the priority to the user story, and then we develop the product as a priority wise. So this is a focus on people. And the last one is enjoy. No one is successful at meeting their goals when they enjoy what they are doing. They do the work by enjoy. Agile testers who enjoy the work are able to deliver the greatest possible value to the customer. If you enjoy the work, then they can deliver a good product or a best product. So these are all the principles of agile testing. These are all the testing principles of agile. So this is my session. Okay, thank you.